I met this girl I swore was close to perfect. I could see the ring, the dress, and the whole 9 yards. I had a country station on and she reached and turned it. Said she couldn't stand the sound of a steel guitar. We hit the town to catch the early movie, and old Chris Christopherson played the leading role. I said, "That's my man." She said, "Who's he?" So I jumped up and said, "Girl, we gotta go." She don't like to play my kind of music. She's never heard a Waylon Jennings song, and she's never been a fan of Willie Nelson. So there ain't no way in hell we'll get along. She told me she thinks country music's hokey. Said you can't dance to it and all the songs are sad. I cocked my eyebrow and said, "You must be joking. Ain't no excuse for having taste that bad." Then I asked her if she'd heard of Alan Jackson. She said, "Didn't he sing that song called Where Were You?" I said, "Yeah, but girl, that man's a living legend." She said, "Really? I thought he was new." No, she don't like to play my kind of music. She's never heard of David Allan Coe, but she can't get enough of Whitney Houston. And I'm thinking, Lord, that's all I need to know. Hey, when the night was over, I walked her to her door, and I bid that girl an overdue farewell. And without a goodnight kiss, I jumped back in my truck, turned on some Hank and cranked it loud as hell. No, she don't like to play my kind of music. She don't know Sunday morning coming down. She can't see what's so cool about he stopped loving her today. So I had to tell that girl to kiss my ass.
No. What is this, Senor?
The preacher man says it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a going dry.
I know! I knew that.
Is up and the stock market's down, and you only get drunk if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see, a woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do. Good old tomatoes and homemade wine, and the country boy can survive. Country folks can survive, because you can't starve us out and you can't make us run. Those wooden boys raised on shotguns. We say grace, we say ma'am, if you ain't in the best, we don't give a damn. Came from the West Virginia coal mines and the Rocky Mountains and the Western skies. And we can skin a buck, we can run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
Today's hunt, Saturday 18th, great day, 2017. Brought the wives out, experienced a wonderful time. Great service, the birds were outstanding. the camaraderie of all the guys and the ladies being here was just wonderful. I got to hand it to you guys. You did a wonderful job, and I hope that we can make it back again either next year or another year. Congratulations to Pointer and the success of all the guys out in the field, especially my group. We won the contest, right?
So this was our first day in Argentina, and we're the Pointer Outfitters, and we had a blast. Dove were flying, and when we weren't finding them, we would get to a spot where they were flying completely and 100%. Had a wonderful time. It was a great opportunity to come down here, and we look forward to doing it again.